Math Gad.
Welcome back everyone to today's video about classifying and finding angles in parallel lines. So guys, this is basically going to be a small practice that we're going to do using the information that we saw on the last video where we saw the classification of the angle pairs, which I will be linking on the card right there or in the description below. So let's take a look guys, let's begin. So guys, the first thing we're going to be taking a look at is that they are asking us to classify the following angle pairs. So angle 1 and angle 2, angle 3 and angle 6, angle 7 and angle 6, angle 1 and 8, and 5 and 3. Okay, so let's take a look. So we know that angle 1 is this one right here, and angle 2 is this one right here. And they are going to be consecutive, so one next to another, and they are going to be in this line right here. So that means that since they are both on the same line, we are going to see that they are supplementary angles, right? Because they're one next to each other and they form a line. And they are indeed supplementary. And because they're one next to each other, we can be a little bit more specific than that. And we can say that they are a line pair, right? A consecutive line pair. Now we have angles 3 and 6, where we see that they form a small z. And because we see that z right there, we're gonna see that they're also on opposite sides. So 3 is on the left and 6 is on the right, but they are both going to be inside the two parallel lines. So we know that they are alternate on different sides and both interior. So these are going to be alternate interior angles, right? Now we're going to take a look at angles 7 and 6, which are this one and this one. And as you can see, they are on opposite sides of the vertex and they are formed by the same two lines, right? Because of that, we know that angles 7 and 6 are going to be vertical angles, right? And they are going to be complementary. And they are going to be congruent. Now we're going to continue with angles 1 and 8. So angle 1 is exterior and angle 8 is also exterior, and they are on opposite sides of the transversal. One is on the left and one is on the right. So because of that, they are going to be alternate exterior angles, and they are also going to be congruent. Now, last but not least, we have angles 5 and 3. So angles 5 and 3 are going to be on the left side both. So they are on the same side of the transversal and they're both going to be internal. And because of that, we're going to call them consecutive interior angles, which means that they're going to be supplementary. Okay, now let's tackle our practice, guys. We're going to be given one angle and we have to find angles 5, 8, 2, 6, and 7. So let's see if we can do it. Feel free to pause the video if you can try doing it yourself, or if you want to learn how to do this, then let's continue. So guys, in this case, we're given that angle 1, right, is going to have a measurement of 108 degrees, so 108 degrees. And we have to find angle 5, right here, that's the first angle that they ask us. Now we know that angle 1 and angle 5 are going to be angles that are corresponding, right? Because they are corresponding angles, that means that they have the same measurement. So that means that the measurement of angle 5 is also going to be 108. So 108 degrees. We're going to put it here. Now we're going to find the measurement of angle 8. So angle 8 is going to be right here. Now, angle 8, there's two ways to find it. First of all, we know that angle 8 and angle 5 are going to be vertical angles. So that means that 108 is also going to be the measurement for angle 8. And then we have that 1 and 8 are alternate exterior angles. So that means that 1 and 8 are also going to be congruent. But at the end of the day, we draw the same conclusion. So the measurement of angle 8 is 108 because these two are vertical, right? So it's simpler and faster to look at that way. Now, angle 2, which is right here, is going to form a line pair angle. So it's supplementary with angle 1, which means that the measurement of angle 1 plus the measurement of angle 2 is 180 degrees. So we have 108 plus the measurement of angle 2 is 180. And then we just have to solve for the measurement of angle 2, which is going to be 180 minus 108. And that is going to be 72 degrees, right? Because they are supplementary. Now, let's write down here 72 degrees. Now, we are asked to find angle 6 and angle 7. So there are, again, a lot of ways in which we can do this. But the easiest one is that we can think of 6 and 5 also being supplementary because they're also a line pair, or 6 and 8, they're also supplementary because they're right next to one another in the same line. So we know that the measurement of angle 5 plus the measurement of angle 6 is going to be 180 degrees. Now, angle 5 is 108, and we are just going to solve for angle 6. Now we see that the measurement of angle 6 is 72 degrees, and because 7, which we have here, is vertical to 6, the measurement of angle 7 is also going to be 72 degrees. And that is pretty much it, guys. So make sure you double check, start from scratch. So I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.
Check out these other videos to improve your math skills, and make sure you click that subscribe button to make the community grow. Follow ohmathgad in its social media accounts, drop a like, a comment below, and see you on the next one. Bye!